How's it going? My name is Aaron Capdeboss. I'm a jeweler and gemologist, and I'm the owner of DeBosque Fine Jewelry Manufacturing in Mandeville, Louisiana. I'm a certified gemologist. I'm a certified jeweler, and I'm also certified since 1997 as a jeweler through Jewelers of America. I have been operating DeBosque Fine Jewelry since 2003, and I've been making a living as a jeweler since 1997. So I have seen a lot of jewelry. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Okay, on Let's Ask a Jeweler. Can you tell if gold is real by biting it? Not really. 24 karat gold is very malleable. And if you bite it really hard, you can dent it. If gold has been alloyed with copper or some other metal to change its purity, it will oftentimes make the metal harder. So in the movies where you see people, you see the pirates biting the gold, and that's what they're checking for. They're checking to see if it's very malleable. You can, like I said, you can dent it. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not good for the teeth. There's other technology today. But when it comes to other forms of gold, like 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold, you're not going to be able to dent that with your tooth. So there's a few different ways to test gold. They have XRF guns that shoot microwaves onto the metal and then can determine the composition of the metal. They're very good, but they are foolable because they really only measure the surface of the metal. They can't penetrate the metal. There's a device called a spectrometer where you can take a sample of metal and you can put it into a spectrometer, which will then burn it into gas. And then the machine will detect all of the metals that are present in that gas, and it can give you a very, very accurate percentage of whether it's got gold, copper, silver, whatever, zinc, and those are commonly used alloys in gold. It'll tell you exactly. That's the most accurate way, but those machines are very expensive and hard to find, and I don't have one. So what we'll do a lot of times is we use the old-fashioned nitric acid test. We'll take a piece of gold and we will take a small area. If we have, say for example, somebody brings in a big gold chain and they want to sell me a gold chain, and I'm not sure about the quality of this chain, I will take a small section of the chain and I'll take some sandpaper or something and make a small abrasion on the chain, and then we will apply nitric acid. The nitric acid is going to react in some way or the other. It'll turn different colors on different metals. You can check a lot of precious metals with nitric acid. You can check silver, and you can test gold. If you have a piece of jewelry that's just like base metal, like fake, not gold, not precious metal at all, when you put the nitric acid on it, it starts to bubble green and blue. It makes all these crazy sizzly bubbly colors, and it's like clearly not gold. So for us, we test with acid. It is the most efficient way to test, and the acids come in different concentrations. So you can have a bottle of acid that is made to test 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, 22 karat, and 24 karat. You can also take a piece of black stone, and you can take a piece of jewelry. This is really cool. This is super old-fashioned, but it still works. You take the black stone and you take the piece of jewelry you want to test and you rub it on the black stone. It's going to make a little gold line. It's going to lay down some gold on that black stone. And then you take a known piece of gold. So if I have a test piece that I know is 14 karat, I will make a little line on the black stone. Then I'll take my piece of jewelry and I'll make a little line. And then I'll take the 14 karat test acid and I'll put it on both of them. If the the line from the gold jewelry burns away, and the line from the known test piece does not burn away, then I know that that gold is of a lower quality, and then we'll test it against 10 karat. And if it doesn't hold up to 10 karat, then it's likely that it's not gold at all. So that's how we test. If you have any questions about gold qualities or selling gold or buying gold, hit us up, give us a message, give us a call, give us an email, get in touch with us. We're easy to find. DeBosco Fine Jewelry, Mandeville, Louisiana.